Hello my darlings and welcome. In this video I'm making some magical orange pomanders for the winter solstice and Yuletide season. Let's do some magical crafting. Pomanders make beautiful centerpieces, gifts for friends, tree ornaments, and air fresheners. They're simply oranges pierced by cloves, and as the fruit dries, it releases a lovely fragrance. The concept comes from medieval times when pomanders were created through elaborate processes with tree resin, spices, and more. Our more modern style of pomander is made by studding an orange or another fruit with whole dried cloves and letting it cure dry, after which it may last many years. This modern pomander has several uses: perfuming and freshening the air, decorating your home, and once they're dried, you can use them in closets and drawers to keep clothing and linens fresh and pleasant smelling and moth-free. You may wish to make patterns in the orange skin with the corner of a citrus ester or with a channel knife for making cocktail garnishes. Or if you happen to have a linoleum cutter, you can use one of those as I have done. A linoleum cutter is also a great crafting tool for DIY stamp making. I'll link to several tools that work for this project below. It's also a good idea to pierce the skin of the orange before poking the whole cloves in. This will save your fingers. And the more cloves you use, the more fragrant your pomander will be, and the faster it'll dry. For hanging and displaying your pomander, you may wish to wrap it with ribbons or lace trim. You could even wrap it up in a cotton doily. Another option is to crochet or knit a cozy for your pomander to hang in. But if you do this, make sure to leave large holes in the yarn work for airflow. I've decided to make my pomanders with some magical symbols such as a pentagram and a triple moon, as well as some geometric shapes. If you'd like to make your own pomander even more magical, you could engrave a magic sigil onto the skin before you add the cloves. If you'd like to see how to make a Yuletide sigil, I have a video on that topic and I'll link to it below. However, you could make a pomander at any time of year and engrave it with any sigil for any intention or purpose. I hope you enjoy watching me craft these pomanders, and if you stick with me to the end of the video, I'll show you how I intend to display mine during the holidays. Please enjoy the rest of this magical craft without further commentary, and have a blessed Yuletide season.